Namaste. Welcome to 15 minutes gentle seated yoga. Let's come to butterfly. Soles of your feet together. Open your inner thighs. Sit bones pressing. Hold onto your ankles or your feet. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, gently lean forward and down. Slowly come up. Exhale, lean forward and down. Adding a few more rounds. Inhale, come up. Waving your spine forward and down. Inhale one last round. And now as you exhale, lean forward and down. You can rest your forehead on top of your feet or just let your head and neck heavy. Slowly bring your spine up, adding gentle twist. Swing your left hand behind you, right hand. Grab your inner thigh and gently pressing, twisting, look over to your left shoulder. Come back to the center, switch to the other side. Very nice, and come back to the center, lean back. Open your legs a little wider than shoulder distance, flexing your feet, gently rocking your legs side to side. See if your legs go 90-degree angle as you twist. You can look over to your shoulder if that feels good with your neck. And now twist towards the right side and bring your full body towards the front leg. And gently lean forward and down. Feeling your hips, glutes, and inhale, bring your spine up. Exhale, gently lean forward and down. If you have more space, you can extending your back leg straight back and resting your chest fully on top of your front thigh. Forehead resting all the way down to the mat. Shoulders pull away from the ears. Relax and release. You have an option to stay down low, or if you have more space, bring your spine up. And you can even lifting up your chin up to feel the front of your neck stretch. Gentle back bend without compressing your lower back. From here, if you have even more space, you can bend your back knee, extending your left hand over your head to catch your foot. If you're holding onto your foot, you can gently push your foot into your palm to feel your chest and shoulders opening. And now slowly release. Swing your back leg straight forward, pressing your foot down, sit up tall. Breathe in, exhale, adding gentle spinal twist. Come back to the center. You may scoop your bottom heel a little closer towards your glutes. Hold onto your front leg. You can hold behind your knee or catch further to your ankle or your foot. Shoulders pulling down, chest pushing forward. Your leg is coming close towards yourself with your spine lengthening. We'll stay here a few breaths. Once you find more space, you can gently flexing your foot and hold onto your heel. If that's too intense, keep on pointing or even knee bending deeply. Now releasing your leg down. Both legs straight forward, flexing your feet. Spread out your toes, ankles together, inner thighs together, beak lengthen. Exhale, hinging into your hips, forward and down. Let go of any tensions from your hamstrings, glutes, and your lower back. Beautiful. Slowly bring your spine up, one vertebra at a time. Lean back, bend your knees, open your legs, flexing your feet, rocking your legs side to side. Let us moving on to the other side. So twist toward the left and stop. Walking your both hands up to your front leg. Breathe in. Exhale, lean forward and down. Keep your back knee bent, or you can get it straight back. Release tension from your glutes, hips. Release tension from your shoulders. So let it soften and relax. You have an option to stay still where you are. If you'd like to go a little bit deeper, slowly push yourself up. Keep your spine neutral, or if you have more space, adding gentle back bend. Beautiful. If you even have more space, you can bend your back knee. Swing your arm over your head to catch your foot. Gently push your palm with your foot to help your chest open and shoulders open. Beautiful. Now let us slowly release. Swing your back leg straight forward, bend your knee, pressing your foot down in front of your shin. Hold onto your leg, lifting up to your chest, and let us adding gentle spinal twist. Now carefully untwist yourself. Scoop your bottom leg a little closer again. Hold onto the front leg, back of your knee, or further to your ankle. Extending leg straight up if you have more space on your hamstring. Very nice. Your leg is coming closer towards your chest, not your torso. If you have more space again, flexing your foot, push your heel up toward the sky. And now slowly releasing your leg down. Open your legs as wide as you could and sit up tall. Hold onto your hips and gently rocking side to side. And let's lower to the right side and releasing your bottom hand down. Opening up to your upper hand close by your face. If you have space, lower the forearm down. If that's too intense, stay on your palm. Breathe through your side body. Beautiful. Slowly come up and let's lower your body toward the other side. Feel your side ribs expanding. And now slowly bring yourself up. Lower the arms down. And slowly leaning forward and down. Go down as right amount for your flexibility and mobility. Don't bounce up and down with your torso. I need you to use your exhalation to be softened and relaxed. From the center, deep full breath in. Exhale, walking both hands toward to one side. Feel your side body elongating, shoulders both relaxing equally. Beautiful. Walking back to the center. And exhale, walking toward to the other direction. Now slowly come back to the center. Bring your spine up. Well done. Let's massage our legs. Legs together. Sit up tall. Bring your palms behind your lower back and just gently tap it out. Tap, tap, tap your glutes down to your IT band, all the way down to your feet and your inner thighs, back to your lower back. Glutes, IT band, all the way as far as you could reach. Using your palms to rubbing out your quads, knees, and shins. Beautiful. Let's continue to massage our legs on our back. So find your way laying all the way down, bend your knees, arms out to T-shape, pressing your feet down. Extending right leg straight up towards the sky and circling your ankle. Other direction. From here, bend your right knee. Bring your right calf on top of your left knee to gently massaging your right calf muscle. Very good. This time, bring your right top of your foot underneath your left calf to gently massaging your left calf muscle. Good job. And now, sole of your right foot on top of your left knee to massage your foot. Beautiful. Extending left leg straight up and circling your ankle. Other direction. Bend your knee. Your top of your left foot underneath your right calf to gently massage your right calf muscle. Sole of your foot on top of your right knee, gently rubbing off. Sorry, I forgot to massage the left calf, so you can do it, adding on. And now extending both legs straight up and circling your ankles together and to the other direction. Come to happy baby pose. Bend your knees deeply, open your inner thighs and hips. Start with holding onto the back of your knees, or if you have more flexibility, catch further to your feet. Your entire spine gently pressing down onto the mat, rocking side to side. See if you can get your both legs straight as wide as you could. Now slowly releasing your legs straight up and all the way down, arms up. Big one line body stretch. Exhale, rebend your knees, pressing your feet down, arms out to T-shape. Scooping your right foot underneath your left leg. Lower your right inner thigh, your hip opening. Catch your foot with your left hand. If you have more space, you can pull your left leg close toward your chest, hold behind your knee or further to your shin. Enjoy this beautiful hip opening and beautiful quad stretch. Now slowly releasing both legs straight down, arms up over your head, feeling good stretch. Exhale, rebend your knees, pressing your feet, moving on to the other side. So scooping your left foot underneath your right leg. You can stop. If you have more space, pull your right leg closer towards your chest. Enjoy this moment with eyes closed. Letting go of any tensions and aches from your body and from your mind. Slowly, gently extending both legs straight down again, arms back up over your head. And let's bend your knees, gently rocking side to side. Roll over to one side. Slowly come up to seated, any comfortable seated pose. Keep your eyes closed and gentle shoulder roll. Adding head roll. Other side. Beautiful. Extending both arms up over your head. Interlacing your fingers, push your palms up high. Exhale, pray your hands down to your heart. Keep your eyes closed. Hope this 15-minute seated yoga practice brought you a little more peace into your body, mind, and into your life. Namaste.